Hi everyone, this is Randy and Kim again with Family Tent Camping. We're doing a 6-part series on setting up your Kodiak canvas truck bed tent, and this is the second part here where we're doing putting on the rails. As you can see, Randy has already put on one side here with the clamps, and now he's going to put on the other side. So what's the first thing you got to do, Round?
Well, the first thing is you want to measure from the end 9 inches.
9 inches.
And then you've got the pad that goes down below.
Okay.
And then you put the clamps on. And you can put it on however you'd like, but the most stable part is on the ends, closer to the ends. And this again is galvanized, so it won't rust on you. And it's completely waterproof. You want to get it down so it's snug, and you want to put the rails on the outside, and then you put the inside to the your truck bed liner, and then you do the other.
Do you want to make sure it's lined up even then? Is that, yeah?
Same way.
Okay.
Put on the clamps, and if it's a 2-inch clamp, so if it doesn't fit on your vehicle, you might have to go to your local store and get one. But these are 2-inch clamps, and you can just put them on there just like that.
All right, so the clamps are one size fits most trucks, and they do fit most trucks. But if for some reason they don't fit yours, you can pick up clamps at any local hardware store. So that's all you do is measure 9 inches in, have the padded part down, is that right? And then put your clamps on. Is that it, Ran?
That's it.
All right, that's putting on your clamps, part 2. And come back to FamilyTentCamping.com. You can find these on our website under truck bed tents. All the Kodiak, we carry all the Kodiak canvas items, but the truck bed tents is what we're doing right now. Have a great day, and we'll be back with our next part of the setup.